So I've been wanting to make this video for the people that are going through what I refer to as the winter period, right? Winter periods are when things are just not moving. Things are not happening. What you desire to manifest is not showing up. It feels like you have been doing and doing and doing and nothing is changing. You feel like the same person. You're not receiving the outcomes of your manifestation. And it's so easy when you're in this period of winter or drought that you feel like this is going to be you forever. And the only reason that spring or like a new season feels far away is because you identify too much with the drought or with this winter period. Because the truth of life is that things are always moving, things are always changing. You don't even know what's happening behind the scenes, right? Like the only reason that things don't come into your life fast enough is because you've sort of made up your mind over your current reality. Like you see your current reality, you see that you're in a drought, you see that you're in a winter period, and you're like, this is where I'm going to be forever, which is not true. Because if I ask you to look back over the course of your life, you can tell me the good moments, the sad moments, the bad moments, the fun moments. Like life is always moving in a circle. Life is always moving in a spiral, rather, like my earring wearing a spiral. But life is very spiralic. And during the period where you think like nothing is happening, you're actually being prepared for the next level or the next version of your life. And so if you can look at your winter period and take it as an opportunity for you to prepare for what's coming, like you're not begging God or begging the universe and asking the universe, like, please give me this, but you're like, okay, this thing is coming. I know, like it's inevitable. Whatever intention or desire I have in my heart, it will materialize. It is just law. And so I'm going to take this period of drought or period of winter to actually just prepare for what's coming. I'm going to become the person that can easily receive whatever desire is on its way. I'm going to become the person that feels worthy to receive my manifestation. Maybe there's a certain part of me that needs to believe certain things or become a certain way, right? Like look at your identity, like who do you need to become to prepare for your manifestation? And so instead of wallowing or complaining or, feeling like a victim, like this person is not texting me, the money is not in my bank account, like I really want to travel to this place and it's not happening, like I've been visualizing it, like woe is me, like everything that's happening in my life is just happening to me and not for me. And so when you stop identifying as a victim and you stop identifying with the drought and you say, this is temporary. There are things happening behind the scenes. The universe is preparing me for what's coming into my life. And so instead of beating myself up, and talking to myself like this is going to be my life forever and that I'm a failure, I'm going to start speaking highly of myself. Start speaking to yourself like your manifestation is inevitable, that it is coming. And so instead of using this winter period to become more of a victim, to feel sorry for yourself, to speak to yourself with judgment, with hatred, with anger, with regret, with guilt, with shame. Instead of using your energy for that, use it wisely. Prepare yourself for what's coming. Because if the intention is already put into your heart, it is inevitable. You are going to experience your manifestation one way or another. The when or the how is not up to us because there are things brewing behind the scenes that we just don't know. We cannot see. And it is not up to us how certain things come into our lives or how certain things happen. Do you know that your mind only knows so much? And so when you just keep visualizing for $1,000, what if the universe wants to give you $2,000, $20,000, $10,000? Why did I go down? $30,000. But your mind can only conjure up 1,000. And so instead of being stuck on an outcome, how about intend for something greater in your life? Have an intention that is pure, that feels good, and then feel worthy to receive that. Prepare for that. Because what you desire is coming anyway. It's inevitable. Like every client that comes to me is like, I don't know if I can do this. Why? Why don't you know? Like you're already assuming that what you desire is not yours, that it's not going to happen. And so I need you to start speaking to yourself differently and start claiming your desires as if it's going to happen anyway. How it comes into my life, I don't know. When it comes, I don't know. Like I'm going to claim it now. And I'm going to start becoming the person as if my desires are now, like the person that claims the desire. Like I'm going to become the identity of that person. And the person that claims that their desires are happening now and the person that is still kind of like, I don't know, like maybe it's going to come. They both have different beliefs. They both have different thought processes. They both think differently on a daily basis. They are in different states of being on a daily basis. And so you cannot identify with someone that's like, I don't know, maybe it's going to happen, and then complain why it's not happening. The two people have different identities. Those two versions of you have different beliefs. They think differently. And so the version of you that identifies with the drought and feels like a victim, and then the other version of you that says, this is temporary, this is not going to last forever. I've had periods in my life where I was down, but then eventually I got up, like circumstances shift, like things change. Like that version of you believes differently as well. You cannot believe two things at the same time and then want one result, right? Like you have to be laser focused. You have to have a clear intention of the identity that you're holding. And so if you're in this period of winter where you have been doing everything and just nothing is working, this is your time to start preparing. Stop doing and just start receiving. Start acting like the person whose manifestation is arriving tomorrow, arriving today, arriving right now. How would you feel? How would you be? How would you think about yourself differently? Like if this thing was coming anyway, how would you act? So this is just a little short video that I wanted to put out there because I have had clients in my field lately and they're like, I really want this, but I just don't know when it's going to happen. And I'm like, it can happen right now if you start preparing for right now. And so during this period of winter or drought, you don't have to believe that this is going to be forever because that's a lie. Like, that's a lie. The truth is it's not going to last forever. You have been here before. You've done this before. You've gone yourself out of these situations before. Like you've watched circumstances dissolve. You've watched circumstances change in a second. Like you have received your manifestations before in an instant. Like you know what that feels like. And so this period that you're in right now, why are you thinking that it's forever? It's not forever. And I know deep down that you know that. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonates with you, leave a comment below. If you want to go deeper, explore spirituality deeper, meet yourself deeper, you can join any of my courses. I recommend Return to Self or the Anti-Manifesting Manifestation Guide, which is basically for these periods, right? These periods of when you just feel like nothing is happening and you feel lost and confused. And that course will really get you to start appreciating life and heal your relationship with the unknown and connect deeply to the divine. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.